Dr. Sharda Singh was self-taught artist. She an artist with 10 years experience of art-related work, as well as portfolio of varied accomplishment including exhibition, workshops, competitions and academic achievements, possess a strong sense of artistry and forward thinking that is consistently displayed across all art pieces. Her affection towards painting was from the beginning when she was a child. She started painting with oil on canvas when she was in 9th standard. The hobby of childhood grown into passion, and her passions as a freelancing artist took shape when she did diploma course in painting from Banaras Hindu University and came into contact with eminent artist Professor Pranam Singh. He became her guru and her journey of art began.